Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, today we're going to do the unboxing of the Razer Backplate version 2. Now, my favorite things about this already that Razer has been doing is one, the sensor they're using, the same sensor they're using on the Viper Ultimate, and also the materials they're using to make this mouse lighter without not even one hole on the shelf, which I'm really excited about it as well. And also the mouse is even lighter. The old one, I believe, was about 104 grams. This one's 92 grams, which is awesome. And another favorite thing that I had to get it because of this, if you look at it right here very closely, I'm just going to point it if you can't see very well, is the tilt scroll wheel function, which I went nuts. So let's go at the back of this mouse as well. So of course it tells you it's using the optical switch, which again, I really do love those switches a lot. I even like them better than a mechanical switch. Now, the Model D, I am going to give you guys a heads up. I'm not going to do a review on it because I really didn't like it, especially the holes on the shelves. I'm not really a fan of it that much. And plus, I did not feel good about it, like aiming wise. So pretty much, I've been using the Zowie EC2A, which I love the shape and I like the size of it. And I can really aim really well with this. But I can also really aim well with this Razer basilisk. And I kind of like it that they made it lighter as well. So I'm really excited. What Razer's doing over here, I've been giving them a little bit of respect. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't like them at first with some of their products, even though what they did with the Razer Depth Adder, that they use that same material that implemented with the Razer Viper Ultimate when it comes to making the mouse lighter without even putting one hole in the shell. Is that even the Razer Depth Adder is weights, I think, under 70 grams, I believe. I'm not quite sure. Again, I don't know the weight on top of my head. So if you do know, then you know what I'm talking about. So enough me yapping over here. Let's open up this baby right here. I am really excited. Plus, let's open it up. Oh man, I'm still a little bit, feel like sick, aka like shit. Okay, let's see what's inside over here. So, get the box out of the way. Of course, user guide, warranty information, and of course, thank you for buying Razer products. And another thing that I do like, this flex cable that they use is really nice. And we'll open this thing up, and it uses a green USB connector, which is awesome. It's nice, I like it. Now, another thing as well, they're using better mouse feet, which is the PTLE, if I'm saying that correctly. That's awesome. They're using that as well. And also, you can change the profile on the fly as well. And also, at the top of this mouse, you can change the DPI. And also, my favorite part, yes, the tilt scroll wheel. These buttons right here are to change the DPI, side buttons. Now, the old one as well used to come with two different sizes of buttons for the clutch or the sniper button, but it only comes with one, which it kind of sucks because I do like the shorter version of this, but I don't mind using this one as well. So it only comes with one of them, which is nice, or you can leave it like that. So it's up to you. So this is going to be really awesome. I already have an idea how I'm going to program this mouse to play different games the way I wanted to. And also as well, let me give you guys a heads up, I also got this game recently, Escape from Tarkov, because I've been following Shroud with his video and it looks exciting. I really want to get into. So again, I forgot to mention this. Again, I apologize going for off the topic. Also, they're using different types of grips, which is really nice. On the other one, the grip of this side ends up to here, but now it almost the whole thing, which is nice. Also on the side as well, this grip is really good. Side buttons are really good. And also right here, you can adjust the scroll wheel for resistance. So you want a lot of resistance or less resistance, it's pretty much up to you. You can find a sweet spot that you like on using a scroll wheel. So it's pretty much up to you. So I'm gonna stop right here and unplug this baby and show you guys how it looks when it lights up. So please stand by. So okay, I got the mouse plugged into my system. And in the meantime, it's installing the Razer drivers. So it looks really nice. I did the shake test. The only thing is the scroll wheel is a little bit loose. So it's not a big deal, maybe because of the design of adjusting the scroll wheel resistance, which sucks, but you know, it's not a big deal. It's not a killer for me. So it's really, really nice. Again, I'm going to start playing games, and I'll talk to you guys later. Any questions, you already know what to do. Answer those questions down in the comment section, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. In the meantime, have a wonderful weekend, and goodbye.